Meaning of growing season.
Growing season.
Growing season.
Growing season.
Growing season. Growing season refers to the period of time during the year when weather conditions are suitable for plant growth. This includes factors such as temperature, rainfall, and sunlight. The length of the growing season varies depending on the region and climate, but typically lasts from the last frost in spring to the first frost in autumn. During this time, plants can germinate, grow, and produce crops. Farmers and gardeners often pay close attention to the growing season, as it can greatly impact their yields and overall success in cultivating plants.